Okay, everyone, time to do a little bit of vibe coding before I jump in the pool. It's hot here, I'm telling you. Okay, so this is my website, and I constantly have to just keep doing stuff on the website and improving it. But as you can see, I still have the Twitter logo. I have not changed. I'm still a believer in Twitter. No, I have not changed it. I just haven't had time. It's just the thoughts of changing that logo, what I need to do it. It's just like, oh, I just really could not be bothered. Mundane task. Don't want to do it, but I should do it. So let's see if Copilot can do it for me. I'm gonna let's go to Gemini 2.5 Pro, and I'm basically just gonna see what it says. Let's have a look. Hi there. I have a Twitter logo on my site, and Twitter doesn't really exist anymore. It's now called X. Could you possibly update the actual logo and update everything that uses it so that it now shows X and not Twitter? Thank you very much. Okay, let's see what it does. So it's searching for the files matching Twitter, and there's 20 results. Oh God, Twitter's everywhere. I like the bird logo. Anyway, never mind. If that's what it's going to be called, then we should just update it. Okay, I can help you with that. I'll update the Twitter logo to the new X logo and update all references. Okay, first it's going to create new icons for X. Great. I would normally go and search the web and try and find those SVGs and just like create view components for the SVGs and all that. And it's just like, oh. Then it's going to update the tests. Haha, very good. And the social links to reflect those changes. Brilliant. Okay, now I have an X logo. It's looking good. I have an X white logo, a top bar social, the footer. It's changed it in there. You can see my sites being updated. Oh my God, there it is. There it is. And on the bottom. Oh my God, there it is. Okay, it's highlighting in red. That's just the color of my site. Let's see if it fixes that. We'll see. It's running the command. I'm just pressing yes. It's reading the Twitter card to the X card. That's the social things I have. Yeah, go ahead and do that. That looks good, but I don't think the Twitter. What is the Twitter logo when you hover over? I think it should just stay. I think it should be white. We'll get it to fix that. There's some errors in this blog that I need to fix. I've replaced most of the Twitter references with X. However, I encountered an error while updating the meta tags. It's going to examine the file and continue now. There's 12 files already being changed, so we're literally doing a lot of work here. So it's updated the Twitter logo to the next logo, updated reference. I've also renamed the Twitter card images to X card images. I noticed some errors in this log and I fixed them. Is there anything else I can help you with? Right. First things first. This looks very good. I'm guessing the link still goes. Does it go to the right page? That looks like me. Perfect. Okay, so I think what we should do here, and really important, is go ahead and commit them. And this is actually really nice because I can see what's going on, right? The footer, it's Twitter to X. That looks perfect. Area label. Did I not have an area label? Oh my God. Another one, it's adding area labels. This is great. It's icon, the slug. This is just fixing a slug issue. So we'll have to check on that. The X card. Oh, this is this is basically for social media things. When I post my site, I actually should totally update those ones and create new ones, but never mind, it's fine. Testing for the 404 page, the error page. Yeah, this is great. And the social links. That looks pretty good. That looks great. Okay, a lot of changes there, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to accept those changes. So let me go ahead. Let me press the little icon there and it's just going to create a lovely, beautiful commit message for me. And I'll go ahead and not commit them to main. Oh my God, Debbie, you need to commit to a new branch. So let me go and create a new branch. X instead, or just replace Twitter. Change Twitter logo. Okay. Branch permissions. I wasn't able to push to remain anyway, because I've actually set up branch permissions to myself because I constantly do it and I know I shouldn't. Okay, so there was a little thing here. It's hovering over, it's giving this reddish color. So let's see if we can fix that. This is actually really great. Thanks very much. But I've noticed that as I hover over the X in the footer, it's giving me a red color, and I don't think that's the right color it should be. Could you check that for me, please? Okay, so that's an interesting thing, right? I always just kind of give it some instructions, just like I talk to a normal person. I think that makes it easier. So it's reading the footer on the Twitter config, and let's see if it updates this. Because here it looks good, but here it doesn't. What color should the hover effect be? That's a good, so nice of you to ask. That's great of you to ask. I think it should just stay white. I think it's white is good instead of any other color. Now the question is, should it be gray or should it be just white? Well, let's see what it does. Let's fix the hover first. Like, these don't even have hover. I think it should just be white anyway. See? Programming is hard. Right, well, if we fix this thing, then we'll be happy days. So let's see if it does that. And then I really should have just pressed keep on all those because I really don't want to keep them. I've already committed them anyways. It's totally fine. But keeping is kind of good because then, of course, I can help it. The red hover color is coming from your site's primary color setting. Of course it is. I will adjust it. Just like that. Bang. Made the changes for all social media. And that's why it's showing me these because I haven't kept the changes. That's why it's easier. Let me, so the white is being updated. That looks good. Right, let me go and keep those and let me make it white. Actually, the hover's great now, but I think the logo itself should be white and not that kind of gray color because it's on a dark background. Can you just make the X logo white in general? Like, maybe it should be gray, but I don't think so. If we go, it's black, it's one white. So yeah, let's just make it white. Why did it do that? So anyway, this has been really interesting and really good because I updated my Twitter logo, which I've been meaning to do for so long, and it did it in like seconds. And yes, I did have to guide it and tweak little things, but I didn't really have to do anything, and that's kind of what makes it cool. There it is, applying the edits to the footer. I love just doing text white instead of text gray. Again, just those tiny little CSS Tailwind classes that would have just, it wouldn't have taken too long. There we go, that's beautiful. That's so beautiful. Thank you very much. Can you create a PR with that, please? So that's basically it. And it's such a nice way to just vibe code. Just get it to do those minor things that you haven't had time to do that you've been putting off for so long. And that's another vibe coding session. It's so much fun how you can just do those small tasks very, very quickly, very, very easily. I totally encourage you to just give it a try. Just take something on one of your personal sites, on a small project or something, or just make something new. But definitely give it a try. It's really incredible how fast you can just get things done. And I think that's the whole name of the game with vibe coding. You're just getting things done. So go do things. Have fun.